I'm about to clean this outside air conditioner. By doing this, you can actually help your air conditioner last a lot longer because it's sucking in air, and the more they're clean, the better efficiency you can get, and the less the system has to work as hard, thus kind of reducing your utilities maybe slightly, or for investors, reduce the amount of runtime your systems are doing to cool the house. For a little bit of extra safety, if you want to turn off the breaker and or take the plug out of the box. I already took mine out, put it right there. What some people do is take off the top part of the fan and somehow prop it up. That way you can spray from the insides out. But if you don't take off all of these, it's kind of subjective, but it might not get all the way clean. I'm going to start off by removing all the screws all around to expose all this and clean the coils. As you can see, this thing is completely dirty. Here I'm going to be using hose, this HVAC guy's coil cannon with the spray nozzle, and then this new coil HVAC cleaner. The smart thing before you start is to get some clear safety goggles and some gloves. That way you don't get any of the chemical cleaner on you. On the spray cannon, on the top side, it has all from A to E that you can go back and forth from, which changes the amount of ratio to water to this coil cleaner is. So all the way on the E is 10-to-1, where you're going to be using more cleaner compared to water for this thing. And what you'll want to do is just spray all along and let it soak. Now you can let it soak for like a minute or two, and then you can go back over it with just water.